Hello everyone, welcome to last part of Find and Replace series. In first two parts, we saw how to replace a string in a single file and in everywhere in the code. In this part, which is the last part, we will be seeing how to find files and classes effectively. Just to remind you again, this is the window where you will be seeing the keys I'm pressing. For this setting, for this find window, we will be pressing shortcut double shift key. So you will be seeing this key is getting highlighted. Let's try the shortcut. I'm pressing double shift. As you can see, the find window is open. There are few tabs to find different things. Let's check them. If I try searching first activity, in the first tab it's showing everything in that. Here you can see XML file, Java file, Kotlin file, and everything. Basically, it is searching for first an activity word and displaying the file names which are matching. In the classes, we can see only the Kotlin file and not XML files. In files, again, we can see the Kotlin file. And accordingly, the next tabs as well. Explore them on your own, they are pretty simple. So there is one important setting in this window, which is include non-project items. If we check this tick box, it will display the results or for the files which are not part of our project as well. Let's try clicking that. Looks like there are no other files with the name first activity. I'll just try to search word first. As you can see, there are multiple results which are not of our project. Let's try searching activity. If you can see, these files in the yellow color are not part of our project. Let's try opening one of them. Activity compact. If you see, this file is not part of our project. And if I try to locate it, it is the part of this library, core library. This is external library, as in not part of our project. So this setting is for including non-project items. This is the important setting which is needed in multiple cases. Apart from that, everything else is same like previous videos. One more important thing, a small setting or trick you can say, but it is very helpful. Sometimes we have files with longer names or complicated names or same names as well with small or little difference. So at that time, we can't type the whole file name every time. To tackle this, we have a trick here. We can enter just the first letter of every word in the file name. Let's check with the example. If I have to search the first activity and I don't have to type the first activity name as a whole, I'll just type F and A. As you can see, the F and A letter is highlighted and the related file is written. Let's try searching another one. Let's say I have to search example unit test, E from example, U from unit, and T from test. Here it is. What if we do not type it in the capital letter? Let's try that. Results are seen, as in it is not case sensitive. So this is a simple trick to search your files and string in a quicker way. It will help when the project is larger, code base is larger, and so on. So this was all about the find and replace settings in the Android Studio. Do check last two videos as well. Try things on your own and let me know in the comments if it is helped you or not. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep coding. Bye.